Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your data is backed up. This avoids loss if settings reset. Open Settings, then navigate to System Management and locate buttons and gestures or navigation buttons. Names vary by FunTouch OS version. You do this because the home button behavior is controlled here. Once you find it, make sure to note whether you currently use gesture navigation versus on-screen buttons, since that determines the next options available. Now tap into Navigation to begin changing the displayed home button. You now choose the method. Pick Gesture Navigation to remove the on-screen home button entirely. This replaces buttons with swipe gestures and frees screen space. If you prefer buttons, select a different layout or toggle the persistent home key off. Some Vivo builds let you hide it by switching to a 3-button layout without a dedicated home icon. You should restart the interface or perform a quick reboot if options are grayed out. Also check accessibility. Certain features can force the home icon back on. You finish by testing the gestures or button layout across common apps. This confirms the home button is gone and helps you adjust gesture sensitivity if swipes misfire. If the home icon persists, disable third-party launchers and look for accessibility overlays or device mods that reintroduce it. Those often override system settings. Only use a factory reset as a last resort, and make sure you back up data and record app licenses, because a reset clears custom configs that might restore the original home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.